Archiving appearances of disinformation is one of the most cumbersome tasks for fact-checkers due to anti-scraping measures of Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and others. This may result in less documented fact-checks with fewer appearances and less evidence of disinformation traces. This project uses European fact-checking organizations' archiving practices on the war in Ukraine as a case study. We used the dataset maintained by the European Digital Media Observatory, EDMO, which is composed of 1,991 links of debunks produced by 26 fact-checking organizations between February 2022 and January 2023.
We found that at least 15% of the archived content links on EDMO's War in Ukraine dataset are badly archived. The memory loss is even more severe as many errors due to unplayable videos have been identified during manual analysis of a sample of 100 links. We also found that content is missing in 23% of the non-archived Facebook links in the same dataset. Here you can see the methodology and the operationalization of the research. These three maps demonstrate the number of fact-checking contributions. While the first tree map organizes the contribution by fact-checking organization, the second tree map adds the countries where these organizations are from as an extra hierarchy.
The timeline here shows the publication of fact checks together with several key events since Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Using the EDMO dataset as a starting point, we identified about 6,000 unique archive links for further analysis. Within them, we found three main archive services used in the URL dataset. They're archive.org, archive.today, and perma.cc. Archive.today has multiple domains and mirror websites which are demonstrated in this pie chart. Among them, the most used domain is archive.ph. This cartography displays the distribution of archive services across different fact-checking organizations and countries. The colors represent an archive service, and gray means non-archive links. The size of the square represents the number of links.
Here you can see some examples of archive errors from archive.today and perma.cc. We use both automated and manual methods to study errors in archived links. To automatically check the archive errors, we combined scripting to retrieve error messages as well as using OCR on screenshots to capture multiple error messages. This process was successful on a dataset of almost 1,500 links from perma.cc. At least 15% of these links are problematic. They either require logging into Facebook or include embedded posts. However, the automated method proved to be limited as it cannot identify unplayable videos on archive pages. Therefore, we manually checked a random sample of 100 archive links from archive.today and perma.cc. The analysis of this sample showed that 43% have major errors. In this sample, we found that the majority of the archive errors are related to unplayable videos on multiple platforms across various archiving services. Moreover, archive.today generates more archive errors than perma.cc on the same sample. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.